Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege. This game is a highly tactical 5 versus 5 first-person shooter where two teams battle it out. One team attacks an objective, while the other defends it, alternating roles each round. You'll select from a diverse roster of operators, each bringing unique gadgets and skills to the fight. A key element is the destructible environment, allowing for creative strategies and unexpected angles. Get ready for intense, strategic gameplay where every decision counts. Operators are the heart of Rainbow Six Siege, with over 60 unique characters to choose from. Each one has a specialized gadget, a specific weapon loadout, and a speed rating, influencing their playstyle. Attackers are equipped to breach reinforced walls and push towards the objective. Defenders, conversely, fortify the site with barricades and traps to deny entry. You'll find roles like hard breachers who open reinforced walls, roamers who flank attackers, and anchors who hold the objective. Understanding core mechanics is vital. Each round begins with a 45-second preparation phase. Attackers deploy small drones to scout the building, locate the objective, and identify defender setups. Defenders use this time to reinforce up to 10 walls, barricade doors, and place their unique gadgets strategically. A critical combat mechanic is that headshots are always an instant kill, making precise aim incredibly rewarding. Utilize the destructible environment to create new lines of sight and surprise opponents. Rainbow Six Siege features 3 main objective types: bomb, hostage, and secure area. In bomb, attackers must plant a diffuser at one of 2 bomb sites and protect it for 45 seconds. Hostage mode challenges attackers to locate and safely extract a non-player character. Secure area requires attackers to occupy a specific room for 10 consecutive seconds. Success in any mode hinges on strong team communication, adapting your strategy to the map and enemy, and working together to achieve the objective or eliminate all 5 opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.